So this is a cylinder phonograph made by Edison, invented by Thomas Edison. And these were the first model that came out right around World War I. So later on, as a lot of us know, there's the flat, regular disc phonograph style. This was kind of the precursor to that. It had these little cylindrical records. So actually etched on here, on this cylinder, is the music. And it turned this way, kind of a vertical rotation, and plays in the same style that later turned into the disc phonographs. So we can crank this up and get it to play for a minute.
Yes, I'm going to hold my little breath like the Tennessee. Oh, Tennessee, I hear you calling me. Oh, Tennessee, I hear you calling me. Sing on, ring on, see it's Uncle Brent, springtime on my way. Softly and all will soon be holding me.
So there we go. You can see it's not perfect. Definitely shows its age. There's a little bit of a wobble in how the record plays. The axle is bent. Unfortunately, that can't really be balanced out. And definitely a scratchy sound. Not anything like the modern sound quality that we're used to. But overall, really cool cabinet. Beautiful tiger oak grain here on the cabinet top. And this is the front panel that covers up the speaker right there. So yeah, pretty neat piece. It's amazing to get something working after 108 years. So I hope the customer enjoys it for many years to come.